Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at this WAVLINK AX5400 tri-band wireless adapter. As you can see, here it is in my hands. It is fully customizable with the 4 antennas that it has, so you can go ahead and maneuver those around or also fold them in if you'd like to maybe save some space. It has USB 3.0, so it's got USB-C plug right here, and then at the end you've got that USB 3.0 plug. This thing is great because it has tri-band, which means it supports 2.45 and 6 gigahertz. So it is supportive of any type of streaming that you may be doing. This supports speeds up to 5,400 megabits per second. It also has built-in drivers for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So you simply plug this in, go to your CD drive, which I'll show you in a second, and install the driver. And it'll just sit on your desktop very nicely. It also has some cool lights that I'll show you in a second here. So as you can see, I've got this thing plugged in. Look at those very cool blue lights. You can go ahead and press that to turn them off if you like. And let's go ahead and run this application to install the drivers. And it's that simple. Now take a look at this. This is my Wi-Fi card in my computer. As you can see, it only found 2 networks that were close by. But as I switch to Wi-Fi 2, which is powered by the WaveLink, I'm gonna go ahead and see a lot more networks. So this thing really does get ultimate connectivity. Look at all these networks I have to choose from. So this thing is currently running. It's kind of giving me an indicator of how it's connecting. And then I'm gonna go ahead and run a speed test right now. So you can see just how fast of speed I'm getting in comparison with my built-in Wi-Fi card on this laptop. I was getting around 40 download speed. So I'm getting 15 more here, which is quite a bit in comparison. Overall, highly recommend this WaveLink Wi-Fi adapter. This is tri-band again, 4 antennas. It really helps you get the best possible connection for your computer. Thanks for watching.